Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ross with Stammer AI. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set links in the responses that your AI agent is providing. So for example, this is a response from an AI agent, and we have the answer sources down here as the link. Now, that's not quite what I want to have happen. In this scenario, I want the link to actually be shown in the actual answer itself. And so how do I do that? Well, we need to update our prompt just slightly to include a little bit of information that will then tell the bot to include the links. So for example, if we go into update and then we go into the base system prompt, we can see here's the base system prompt. We're going to add a line that says include the website links at the end of your answers when applicable. We're going to click update AI agent, and it's going to be retrained, and we're going to go back and we're going to ask the same question. How much does Stammer cost? And should get an answer, and there we go. For more details, you can visit stammer.ai, and it's hyperlinked to the website. Now this can work for basically any link. So for example, if I have all of the documentation scraped, what I could do is ask a question that could provide a specific link, like where is the located? And there we go. We find the glossary at Stammer AI documentation and the following link. And that's going to bring us to the right link. And all we did there is basically add in to the prompt that bit, that one line. And if we wanted to remove this from the responses, we can just go to update and remove show data sources, update like so. And you can see now it just says the link is the glossary. Now, the reason why the link is showing up, in addition to us updating the base system prompt, we are going to ensure that we have the right data added to the knowledge base. Because without that information, then the AI agent doesn't know that this link is for the glossary. If I was to put in the text data like the link, the bot doesn't really know what that means per se, because it's just a random link. So if we search for this again and we go down into the debug mode, we can see that the link for the glossary has been added with markdown. And we know that because if we scroll down even further, we can see all of the data that was sent to OpenAI to generate the response. And we can see right here, glossary stammer.ai /start here /glossary. And so that's going to be the link for that URL. So now the agent knows that that link is for the name glossary. Even though it has this other word here, the AI is able to determine that that's not relevant, so it just gets rid of that. So in order to replicate this for yourself, either the items that you're scraping need to have the links in the documentation or in the information that has been scraped, or you need to add in the links with markdown text. And so if you add in the information like this, then the AI agent will know that that's what the name of that link is, and then it can use all that information to be able to provide these links in the answers. So it's really kind of a two-part process. If the information that you're scraping already includes it, then great, you're already a step ahead. And if not, you just need to make sure that you add that information into the knowledge base so the AI agent knows the name of each of these links. And so this is basically how you can simply get links to show up inside the chat. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.